Hey guys, today we're going to be making some pumpkin spice coffee today. These are the new flavors. Starbucks have their brand new fall pumpkin spice latte creamer, as well as their normal pumpkin spice pods for your Keurig. So awesome Keurig recipes here, bringing you a great recipe again of how to blend it and get that best taste out of your lattes, coffee, iced coffee, etc. It's been a while, guys, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Definitely going to start bringing you way more great videos again. So first off, we already have a pod in here. Go ahead and lift that up, get it going. All right, so we're gonna do 10 ounces. Okay, so we're gonna start it off by hitting brew right here on the good old 2.0 Keurig. It's my beer mug slash iced coffee latte mug. It works as double duty. And as this thing gets to brewing, guys, right off the gate, you see the steam and the pumpkins. You can smell the pumpkin spice immediately coming out of this pod. Again, this is the brand if you're interested in it. It's a limited edition because they only have it out for the fall. That's what's this creamer. Some of the other ones from other videos that's going to be coming your way. Okay, so as it's making its way, go ahead and let it brew. Then we're going to add the creamer. Alright, so it's almost done. So what I like to do is go ahead and get this a good shake. Make sure everything is mixed pretty good. Alright, so as I get ready to open this up, Starbucks have this fancy lid to keep it from splattering. And as you see, as we put in there, has a good mixture. So some people like to wait, some people like to stir, but I like to keep it this way. You let everything blends on its own. It's almost like a iced macchiato or macchiato latte itself. And if you have any type of whipped cream or caramel drizzle, you could also do that as they have it here, or cinnamon on the package here. So guys, try this at home. Let me know how you like it in the comments. If you have any other recipes you'd like to suggest, do so in the comments below. Thanks for watching.